What's going on, guys? My name is Nicolo. You're watching my barber dreams. In this video, I'm here with my man Tanner. Cuts by Bird is his Instagram. Go follow that man right now.
Yes, sir.
Dope cuts, young barber on the rise. We are here in his shop, in his basement, at his house. He's about to cut me up, do a little tutorial. And if you know me, you know that I'm super picky. I only cut my own hair, but I had to give my man a shot here. He's gonna cut me up. We're gonna do this thing. Let's get it.
Alright, so let's jump right into it. And I want to apologize right off the bat. You know, if there's any bad camera angles, we just got caught up, you know, chopping it up that, you know, we forgot to actually look at the camera angle. But I tried to edit as best as I can to show you the best possible angle. So right now he is balding me out with the Walls magic clips. So he's going to bald me all around. And my man fades a little differently, and that's why I really wanted to make this video. You know, there's so many ways to get to the same result, so I thought it'd be cool to show a different method, you know, something that I normally wouldn't do. So right now he's clearing all the bulk, making sure I am completely balded out. So now he jumps right into no guard blade open, aka your true one, whatever you want to call it, with the Andes Masters here. Now he does not do the foils right away. Now that's what I would normally do. I would foil out the bald area first and then go from there. But he didn't do that. He waits all the way to the end. And it's a really cool technique that he does here. So now he has his guideline. Now he's going to start fading that out. So now he's going to slowly close that blade notch at a time until that line is fully blended. And notice how he's using the corners. He's placing the corner of the blade in that guideline, and he is slightly fading that out. And that is a great technique to keep the fade where you want it, and you don't have to risk raising it. Use them corners. So now he jumps right into the 3 guard to clear that bulk. And now this is something that I would do right off the bat. But again, everybody's different. Everybody has a different technique. That's what's so dope about this industry. You know, you can learn from everybody and share techniques with each other. And that's what we're doing here. So I think he started open with that 3 guard. Now he's going to close that. Make sure you're bringing down that bulk. And notice how he's flicking out at the end. It's very important. So now he has his guideline set there. So now he's going to go into his 1 guard open with the Andes. He's going to make his guideline, fade that all around. But now he's going to the 0 guard, which is the Andes, but with the Walls it would actually be a half guard. Same thing, same measurement. So he blended out the guideline he made with the 1 guard with that 0 guard. And now he jumps to the 2 guard, smooths the rest of that out, and then even back to the 3 guard, now close. Just clearing out the rest of that bulk, making sure it's all smooth and even. Again, sorry again we couldn't get the best camera angle, so I hope that was easy to follow. But now he's making sure that the bald area is nice and close, you know, getting ready for those foils. So see how he set the fade up here. You know, he blended out all his guidelines. He has them all set, and now he's going to make another one with the foil shaver. look at that guideline he's making right there. So now he just has to worry about flicking that out, and the rest is faded. So now he made that guideline with the foils, and he's going to take that out with no guard, blade open, and most likely the corners of the trimmer blade. So again, this is a totally different way, different technique to fade, totally different system than mine. But I thought it was really cool to see how my man does it. You know, it's a combination of fading up and down, kind of sandwiching in between. So you have to figure out what you like, what system works for you, and just stay open to everything, you know, because there's so many systems out there. So take from this what you will. Hopefully you learned something today, you know, watching how somebody else goes through their system. I love doing videos like this, so I want to collab more with different barbers and other people upcoming. So if you're interested in getting exposure and helping me get exposure, hit the comments and let me know. And don't forget to follow my man at Cuts by Bird. Check out his Instagram, super dope page. That being said, thank you for sticking around and watching. This is the finished product. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a video. Follow my Instagram for more custom videos. Until the next time, I am out.